Check out this pre-owned 2006 Jeep Liberty Renegade. This 4-door SUV has a 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter V6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 136,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power sunroof, CD player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and power windows.